Here's how to tie the bell ringer's knot. Start by creating a small loop in the rope, then creating a bight, and finally passing the bight through this loop. Now you can adjust it to your liking and pull on all three of these strands while holding the other one over here. And that's how a finished bell ringer's knot should look like. Its main use is to temporarily shorten a hanging large rope so that it doesn't sit on the ground. For example, after ringing a church bell. It definitely isn't strong enough to hold a lot of weight, but it will hold the rope weight itself. The key advantage to shortening a rope with a bell ringer's knot is that you can tie it very easily with only one hand, and it unties just by pulling on the rope end. To make it a bit more reliable, you can make another loop over here, then extend this loop and again pass it through the other one. To learn other useful knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.